So you likely see one of two kinds of valves. There's one that's flush. Look inside. You'll look down inside your socket and you'll see a little white dot or a colored dot. That's where the air escapes. Or you might have a little port and it uses a external inline check valve. In either case, the air can go out, but it can't go back in. Same thing here. So we're changing sleeves. They usually have a taper, so there's a larger end down to a tapered end. A tapered end on the lower side. I try to make about a 4-inch cup. Hold it open. And drop it down on top of the socket. Then flip it back, flip the cuff down. That should give us a snug fit around the socket. The way we can test it, if we're ever not sure if maybe there's a hole or a leak coming through this, because these will wear out, you can bump the edge against a table or a wheelchair and get a little leaky hole. Seal the top, push down on it, and the air will squeeze out through whichever valve you have. And then if you pick up on it, it shouldn't rebound too quickly. And that way you know when your leg is inside and you're pushing down, all the air's getting squeezed out, and that's holding on pretty well. So that's a little bit of a leak. So sometimes a strap like this, and the way to fasten it is take the long end, feed it through the loop. You have two sides. This socket. And pull the edges tight. You can trim off the excess if you want to. But if air is leaking in through the bottom, that'll keep the bottom tight. So now the suction's holding better and for longer. And it's a dynamic thing where air will go out and leak back in around different layers. But then put it back on. Put down so that it's out of the way, so that you're not catching the back as you're pushing your leg in. Put your leg in, then pull up.
Just like that.
Just like that.